My name is Jenn Repaci, and I serve at the WinShape Foundation as the Manager of Staff Culture and Care. So my role involves any initiatives that we do on behalf of the foundation in order to demonstrate care, to foster growth, and to equip and engage our team members. So I was trying to think, what is working with Elevate? A couple of words come to mind, and one of those is remarkable. I have been doing events now for quite some time, and if I was being totally honest, very rarely do I get the opportunity to enjoy my own event. That was not the case this time. I think in partnering with Elevate, one of the biggest value adds for me was that in my own event, I had time to rest, I had time to be present, and I think that is one of the biggest pluses of partnering with a production company. It was really a relief. From event planning, the emceeing, the moments of engagement that we had with our team, the production that's happening behind the scenes, the breakout hosts, the taking care of the food. I think that on an operational level, every piece was covered, nuts and bolts, and it just gave me a ton of relief to know I had a team that I could trust, and the work behind the scenes and on the scenes was getting done with a spirit of excellence. The energy of working with Elevate is infectious. You cannot help but feel energized because of the energy that they're bringing, because of the smiles, because of the dancing, because of the willingness to serve. You feel cared for, you feel loved, and you feel excited about where you are and what you're doing. The team just can't help but infuse the entire environment that they're a part of with enthusiasm. The sound that I would choose if I was going to describe Elevate is probably the blast of a confetti cannon. It's just this really powerful, awesome boom, a surprise and a delight. Working with Elevate is a blast. It's the best way I can describe it.